We know that when we're running a business, when we're running a cleaning business specifically, because there's so many different moving parts, it's very easy to get distracted from the things that really matter. It's very easy to lose our focus on the project we're working on, or the things we want to implement, or the goals that we're setting. The companies that have achieved the most in the shortest amount of time that I've been working with them, and the companies that have been achieving lots on a long-term basis, are incredibly good at setting a focus and seeing it through. And that sounds overly simplistic, but here's the thing. It is simple. It really is simple, but it's absolutely game-changing. If you're the kind of person where you're distracted by everything that's happening and you're like a magpie, you see something shiny, you're going off in a different direction, different types of clean all over the place, you're going to create a business which is frantic, is chaotic, and it's going to drive you absolutely insane. If you can focus on a few key things, I guarantee you will grow even faster and even easier than you ever have before. If you need some help trying to figure out what those key things should be, you know where I am.